The succulent fossil rock garden is an alternative to the ubiquitous geranium window box. Don't get me wrong, I love geraniums. I have them in window boxes on 4 of my balconies here in Paris. But if you're an apartment gardener like me, sometimes you're just looking for window box ideas that step up your game a bit. If so, stay tuned. First, I have a confession to make. As much as I love succulents, in Paris I'd always kill them. Even though I thought I'd tried everything. From buying them at the finest dealers in the south of France, to taking cuttings from friends in Italy, and from places I probably shouldn't have, and even smuggling them from my native California. Until one day I discovered that some succulents are cold hardy and grow everywhere, even on dry stone fossil walls, an idea we can all adapt. To capture the feel of Provence, and if your climate supports it, consider planting a small olive tree like this one that Bruno brought home from a trip to Greece a few years ago. To create relief, mound the soil before arranging your rocks and fossils. I used unusual finds that we'd collected over the years, including a rare ammonite on which you can still make out the trace of soft body parts. And an antler shed by a roe deer outside Paris. Then start tucking in the succulents, whichever suit your climate. In my case, those cold hardy succulents, namely the lovely rosette-shaped sempervivum and jovibarba, known as hens and chicks, and fillers such as the stonecrop sedums. Be sure to plant them sparsely so they have room to fill out. So, do you think you might give a succulent fossil garden a try? Has it given you any ideas for other out-of-the-ordinary window boxes? Or have you already planted other unusual window boxes? Share your ideas and experience in the comments below. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe.